Yeah, so I was able to clone my voice, and I was able to upload a picture of myself and create my own avatar so that I could insert it into that video creation module. Yeah. No, I know, it turned out great. I guess my last question is, regarding the avatar creation and the voice cloning, is that available in all of the plans, including the starter plan?
Okay, so before we go deal with the camper and the flat tire, Nick is like, hey Leah, go check out on the side of the house. There's a little creature there waiting for you. So I don't know what I'm about to find, but something tells me it's not alive. Let's go look. So I don't know if I'm gonna need moral support when I stumble across this creature, because I am sure whatever is back here is dead. I'm nervous. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Yep, I see it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I see it.
You find him?
Yeah, I think I need to go get a banana for scale.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Poor little guy.
Oh, I think a roadrunner got it.
You think?
All right, let me go get a banana real quick and then I'll show the people. So you found this critter.
Found little guy. Feel so bad.
I found a banana for scale. I totally didn't know what you were gonna send me
Wild
to come
Kingdom,
see.
here we come.
Wild Kingdom, here we come. It's a snake, and it looks like a roadrunner got it, and here's a banana for scale. So it's just a baby. It's just a baby, and all the ants are having a feast. But, where the baby is, the mama can't be that far away, right? Poor thing. Oh. Don't scare me! Yuck. Thank you for being a knight in shining armor.
No big deal. I feel bad for the snake.
Me too.
I like the snakes. They eat the mice. Just don't come in the house, and we're good.
Yeah. We have a deal.
We have a deal. Stay out here. I'll stay in there. We're good.
All right, Nick. I'm gonna call AAA on my banana phone. Let's go deal with the rig. Flat tire. I appreciate that very, very much. And this is why you get AAA with RV. Because otherwise, we'd be stuck doing this ourselves and we don't have all the right tools. So thank you so much. All right, get it fixed. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It looks like it used to look. With the spare and the new one. Just like that, done. That was so great. What is that? 34 minutes flat. And on with our life. chicken salad chick, Nikki?
One time before. It's delicious.
Do you remember what flavor you liked back then?
Probably the same one that I got now. Well, what is it? Bacon and jalapeños. I think that one.
Yeah, and I think
And
there's
cheese. Who doesn't like cheese? Seriously.
Me.
Huh?
I just got one single solitary scoop of the lemon basil pecan, and that'll do it. Good stuff. Oh, and hey Nick, I recently learned that it's the chicken salad chick.
The chicken
not,
salad chick.
Not
chicken
salad chick. It's
chicken salad
the
chick.
chicken salad chick, which
Makes sense.
it does. It makes more sense.
The chick that does chicken salad.
Right. But why did we always call it chicken salad chick?
I don't know.
It's chicken salad chick. Are you a chicken salad chick, Nick?
The more you know.
Now for something exciting. We're back from the rig situation, the tire and all that. And now I get to go count how many seconds it takes me to evacuate my bladder. 15 seconds. Have you ever tracked your bathroom breaks? Who wants to track them with me? You down? You down for an adventure? Time to go drink some more water. You stay delicious, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great night. Thanks for watching.